In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to add Bitcoin to your Metatrader 5 platform. Whether you're trading Forex, commodities, or crypto CFDs, this process will help you quickly enable Bitcoin so you can start tracking and analyzing its price movements. First, open your Metatrader 5 app on your device. Make sure you're logged in to your trading account. Once inside the platform, locate the Market Watch window. On desktop, it's typically displayed on the left-hand side. If it's not visible, click on View in the top menu and select Market Watch. On mobile, you can access it through the Quotes tab. With the Market Watch panel open, look for the plus icon. This allows you to add new trading instruments to your watch list. Click or tap the plus icon to open the symbol search field. In the search bar, type Btcusd. This is the standard symbol used by most brokers to represent Bitcoin priced against the US dollar. Some brokers may use slight variations, but Btcusd is the most common format. As you type, the platform will filter the available instruments. When you see Btcusd appear in the results, select it to add it to your Market Watch list. Once added, it will immediately become available for charting, technical analysis, and trading. By adding Bitcoin to your watch list, you gain direct access to monitor one of the most actively traded cryptocurrencies in the market. This allows you to track volatility, apply indicators, and execute trades directly from the platform. That's all it takes to add Bitcoin to Metatrader 5. With Btcusd now visible in your Market Watch, you're ready to follow price action and incorporate crypto into your trading strategy. Stay tuned for more practical trading tutorials to help you get the most out of your platform.